Do you know what the inside layout of this tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 23 feet in meter 7 meter and the length is 23 feet in meter 7 meter. In the front we have a door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall, and we have two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. On the right side we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and also refrigerator arrangement, and we have dining counter with 4 chairs and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go inside. So on the left side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation. And if we go on the right side, so we have bedroom number 2 here with same size. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and also two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house designs, comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.